we're going to use both today. All right, so let's look at number 2. Mary Lou ran 42 laps around a baseball diamond. She ran 6 times more laps than Tabitha. How many laps, L, did Tabitha run? That's what that L means. L means laps. So this question's a little bit different. This question's not asking us to solve it using the numbers alone. We're actually going to be meeting this part of our target using drawings to solve this one. So it says, which one of these shows how to find the answer? Choose all that are correct. So there's going to be a lot that are correct here, I bet. So we're going to try them all to see which ones match. So let's start by figuring out what we know. Mary Lou ran 42 laps around a baseball diamond. She ran 6 times more than Tabitha. How many laps, L, did Tabitha run? We don't know what Tabitha ran. We don't know what Tabitha ran. She ran, we don't know. We don't know what she ran, but we do know that Mary Lou, she ran 42 laps. We do know that that's 6 times more than Tabitha, though. We know that information. So let's see which one of these represents what Tabitha ran, because remember, that's the unknown, okay? So let's think about what we know first before we go looking for the answers here, because we can solve this in our brains, I bet. So if Tabitha we know that Tabitha, we don't know yet, but we know that Mary Lou, she ran 42 laps. That's a lot of laps, which is 6 times more than Tabitha. So that could be written either 42 divided by 6 equals L for the laps that they ran, or that could be 6 times L equals 42, the laps that Mary Lou ran. So, using what we know, what is L? 6 times L equals 42, or 42 divided by 6 equals L. L equals 7. Nice job. Okay, so let's come back over here, because we've got to choose which of these represents what she ran. It's a really good thing we solved it ahead of time, otherwise it would have been harder for us to figure out the correct answer in the long run. So let's see. I'm looking for, if A is correct, that means that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that means there's 42 total. And this would tell me how many laps Tabitha ran. We know that Tabitha ran L, which is 7. That's what Tabitha ran. Remember from our work before. So this would mean Tabitha ran 7, and then Mary Lou ran that 6 times more. Let's see if that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 7. A definitely represents how far Tabitha ran, because this is how many laps she ran. She ran 7. Mary Lou ran 6 times more than that, which is 42. All right. Does this 42 divided by 6 equal L also look like something we used to solve the problem? It sure does. So B is going to give us the correct answer. Ooh, 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42 equals L. Is that going to give us the right answer? So if no, why not? Does 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42 give us 7. Does it also say that Tabitha ran 6 times more laps than Mary Lou? No, it sure doesn't. So we can go ahead and cross that out. Blammo. All right, now we've got another array here, another drawing. Let's see if this model, this array, this drawing helps us get to the correct answer. If we're going to get to the correct answer, remember L equals 7, so let's see if this works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh. Remember, that's how many times more she ran. Does that tell us how many laps Tabitha ran? 6? Oh, there's the train again. It sure doesn't, and here's why. Because remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how many laps she ran. This tells us how many times more laps Mary Lou ran. So D, also not going to be the correct answer. And then finally, let's look at E. E says L equals 42 times 6. Now, does this tell us how many laps Tabitha ran? 42 times 6? It sure doesn't. Do you know why? She ran 6 times more laps than Tabitha, which does not mean we take 42 times 6. We would need 42 equals something L times 6. So we're not taking 42 groups of 6, so this one is not going to give us the right answer either. So in this one, the only 2 ones that work are A and B. C, D, and E, nope, those don't work for us. All right, nice job, friends. Let's go to number 3. All right, let's look at what we know.